Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to rewrite your resume for any job in minutes. We're going to use free tools like ChatGPT and Kickresume, and I'll walk you through the exact steps with examples so you can do it too. Let's start with why this matters. Most people are using the same generic resume for every job. It's outdated, it's vague, and worst of all, it doesn't speak the employer's language. Hiring managers spend less than 10 seconds scanning your resume. If it doesn't speak to the role, it's ignored. That's why we need to customize it, and that's where AI makes a huge difference. Before you paste anything into ChatGPT or Kickresume, take your current resume and copy it into a plain text document. Remove fancy formatting. We just want the raw content. Then, head over to the job description of the role you're applying for. Copy that as well. This is critical because I will use that to tailor your resume. Now you're ready to start rewriting. Open ChatGPT. The free version works just fine. Use this prompt. Act as a professional resume writer. Based on the job description below, help me rewrite my resume to better fit this role. My current resume is pasted after that. Paste the job description first, then your current resume underneath it. ChatGPT will now rewrite your resume bullet points to mirror the language in the job description, without lying or making up experience. For example, if your original line says, handled customer inquiries via phone and email, ChatGPT might rewrite it to, delivered exceptional customer support through multi-channel communication, resolving over 30 client issues weekly in a fast-paced environment. You didn't lie. It's just framed to show value. You can also say, make this resume more concise, or add action verbs and quantify results where possible. And it'll rework the wording while keeping your experience intact. Once the content is ready, head to kickresume.com. They have modern, clean templates, and even an AI assistant that suggests bullet points. But what you really want here is the formatting. Paste your improved resume content into the template, then adjust spacing, fix section headers, add a professional-looking summary. Keep it to one page if you have less than 10 years of experience. If you want, you can add a custom section like key achievements or skills matched to the job, which ChatGPT can also help generate if you ask it to. Before you export, ask ChatGPT to do one final review. Use this prompt. Please proofread this resume for grammar, clarity, and impact. Also, suggest ways to improve the opening summary. Paste in your final version. This helps catch typos and awkward phrases before you send it off. Export the resume from Kickresume as a PDF, and you're done. And that's it. You've got a resume that's not only professional, but also laser-targeted to the job you want. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job hunt.